everyone, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for clicking on today's video. Today I have a Poundland haul for you and I have quite a few bits, so let's get straight on into the video. So the first item that I picked up was this really gorgeous Minnie Mouse bag. How cute is that? I just love the pink and the silver. This is for a present for a little girl, toddler, and I just thought how gorgeous to put all her little presents in. And it's kind of a nice size, can get quite a bit in there. And yeah, of course that was £1. I am going to say the prices because sometimes it's not £1. I think most of the things are, but not all of them. The next thing that I picked up was this black storage container. These are just handy to have in the cupboards and things, and again, this was only £1. I feel like these were on offer. I feel like they used to be a little bit more expensive. But if you go into Wilko's, they have these at 79p, but they're not quite as sturdy as this one. It's the same design, but they're a little bit more flimsy. And I just thought, oh, whilst I was in the pound shop, I might as well pick one of those up. I did also get some of my daytime lashes, which are these ones. Just having a look at them now, actually. These aren't exactly the same ones as I got last time. They still call them daytime false eyelashes though, but the ones on the bottom look a little bit more dramatic. So I've got the larger, or the most dramatic ones on from the last pack that I had, and they're nowhere near as dramatic as those. As you'll know, I did say this in my last video, I mean these are only £1. I have the glue where you glue the eyelash underneath your lash. Normally you would do it over the top. They work perfectly for that. I do feel like these would be a little bit stiff if you were going to glue the eyelash on the top, so just bear that in mind. They can be a little bit plasticky, but perfect for me, and even cheaper than the Primark ones that I used to get. I would just say the black band, if you are sticking them underneath your eyelashes, if you have fair eyelashes like me, you can see the band, so they would be even better if the band was clear. But if you have dark eyelashes or tint your eyelashes, then that probably isn't going to be a problem. I did try tinting my eyelashes at home once and oh my goodness me, the pain. I couldn't do it without getting the dye in my eyes. So yeah, any tips, let me know. Sorry guys, the camera battery just died, so hopefully the setup's okay and the lighting's okay and I'll crack on with the rest of the stuff. Also picked up these dog treats. These are only £1. You get 500 grams in here. It feels quite weighty. I feel like these are quite substantial treats, so these are for when she's been really good. Also picked up some more antibacterial wipes. These are the Flash extra large wipes. These are good. Again, I couldn't get my normal ones from Home Bargains. I don't know if they do them anymore. They're the ones that you can use on surfaces, on skin. I just thought they were brilliant for, especially around the trolley and stuff. When I've got my little girl and she's touching it, I don't necessarily want there to be loads of nasty chemicals, so they work perfect, but I can't find those at the moment. So I've gone for these, and they've got the Febreze Blossom technology. I think I've had these before and they were quite good, so yeah, £1 for those, and you'd get 24 in there. I also picked up this Head and Shoulders for men, up to 72% dandruff protection apparently, and it is the Deep Cleansing with Charcoal. I know charcoal's good for cleansing and stuff, but I just thought, yeah, I'll get in that. I mean, it was £1. I think it was £1, was it £2? No, I think this was £1. And I did kind of like the packaging for men, and I feel like my husband, he really likes Head and Shoulders. Also picked up some Cif. So this is the cream with micro crystals, and I can't really live without Cif in my cleaning world. I use it in the bathroom, in the kitchen. I just feel like it's so good for removing very difficult marks and stains. And I have to admit, I know it's not as friendly as the pink stuff, but I find it doesn't leave residue as badly as the pink stuff. That's the only problem with that. I don't know if it's the colour of it, but I wouldn't even say this leaves like a white residue. I find that this kind of removes really easily, whereas the pink stuff I do find, particularly if you're using it on stainless steel or anything like that, it just makes it look a little bit cloudy and marked. But I do like, I prefer to use the pink stuff in the kitchen because I think it's like 99% natural, isn't it, or 95%, something like that. But yeah, it's just, I just wish it was slightly easier to get rid of all the residue. Cif is perfect for that. Some of these chargers, you'll see that this one has the old iPhone and iPad charger. I've gone back to my old iPad because I did buy an Amazon Fire Tech. No, I didn't buy it. I got it gifted for Christmas, and it just wouldn't connect to Wi-Fi, which I feel like is the bare minimum that a tablet should be able to do, and it didn't. So I've just gone back to my old iPad because I realised I don't actually need the applications. I upgraded my phone, so what I was using the Fire for, and I no longer really need to use it. I thought I'd save myself some dough. So yeah, I've gone back to that, and I can't really find an old iPad charger anywhere, so I saw this one. I thought, oh, I'll grab that because it was only £1. I mean, say no more. It's fairy, isn't it? So it's, you know, it's going to be good. And this one is in pomegranate and honeysuckle. I do like, oh, there's another brand that I'm into. They have a sloth on one of the bottles. That's a really nice brand to use, but I would say they don't, it doesn't bubble quite as much as fairy. I also picked up this air duster. So this is what you use on your keyboard to get all that horrible crumbs and dust and everything from out beneath the keys. I mean, obviously I'm working from home. We used to have these in the office actually, but yeah, working from home, just want to make sure that all my electronics are nice and clean, because I do eat over my laptop. I know that's probably a really bad habit, and you shouldn't eat and work, but sometimes it's, you know, you feel like it's necessary just to get everything done. So yeah, I've got one of those, and again, £1. I swear these were more expensive, and I've seen them in other shops as well. Another thing for my husband, Nivea Men's Sport, doesn't need really much explanation. Body, face and hair, as men's products always are, literally everything in one. I picked up this nail varnish for myself. I really hope this nail varnish lasts. It's one of their makeup gallery ones, and it's in this really gorgeous kind of like, I want to say nude, but it's a little bit too dark to be nude. It's kind of like a taupey, browny, nudie colour. It's really pretty. Let me see if it's got a name. So this is Latte. Do you say latte or latte? I'm from a place where we pronounce A's as, not R's. Like, it's not Bath, it's Bath, where I'm from. But I'll always say latte, not latte. So yeah, anyway, yeah, this is Latte 5. Anyway, it's just a really beautiful everyday shade. I've been wearing one from Primark, Cashew. That's running low. I feel like you get to that point in the bottle where it starts going thick and gloopy, and it's very difficult to start spreading that across your nails, and it just takes more time than it's worth. So yeah, I just picked that up for £1. And you actually get quite a lot of nail varnish in there for £1. I do really rate the Primark nail varnishes though. They dry really easily and they last really long for the price. Also, I picked up this icing set. This was £1 as well. And I'm going to attempt to make a Snickers cake for my husband's birthday. I wanted to get an icing bag. They did have the bags, but I didn't know if like these nozzles would fit on the end of them. I don't know how things work. I'm not a baker. I just thought, oh, I'll give this a go instead. I imagine this is going to be really faffy and probably won't work, but I thought, why not just give it a go and try it? So yeah, I liked it because it was great, and it's got all the different like nozzles on to make all the different patterns of the buttercream. So yeah, I thought that looked pretty good. Also picked up a happy birthday Bunting. This is just in silver, as you can see. I just feel like we've got to make lockdown birthdays as special as we can, particularly if it's a special birthday. That'll be hope to make it a little bit more celebratory. And then also just picked up a few birthday cards. So got this one, happy birthday. This is kind of just like a generic one. I needed that as just kind of like a filler. Just thought that was really nice. 2 for £1. And then also picked up this one, which is a ballerina. 2 for £1, but actually not 2 for £1, because when I checked my receipt, it actually charged me £1 each for these. It says 2 for £1, but then it charged me twice. So I actually paid £1 for these. But this one's really pretty with the ballerinas on. I really like that for a little girl. I think that's gorgeous. One which is a 3D pop-out card that is a foosball table, which is really funny. I really like that. I think that was £1 as well. Yeah, a little bit different. My husband really likes football, so I think that'll be my birthday card to him. I just thought that was really cool. That would do for his dad as well, because he really loves football. For these Grays honeycomb caramels, these are the Wow Base, 94 calories. So they're, I suppose, they're a little bit like the Fibre One bars, but a little bit, these feel a little bit more luxury. These were £2 and you get 6 in there, which isn't too bad, I don't think. I swear when I've looked in supermarkets and other places before, I swear they're more like £3.50, £4. So yeah. And these are really, I can vouch, I've had these before and these are really nice. And then I couldn't pick one up without the other, so I also picked up the hazelnut ones. Again, same price, £2, and you get 6 in here, 94 calories. I don't think I've tried the hazelnut ones. I don't think, but I imagine they're going to be really nice. I love hazelnut, I love Ferrero Rocher. Right, not the most exciting purchase, but I did pick up some Mcdougal's self-raising flour for this cake that I'm going to attempt to make. We do have flour in, but that's my husband's for pancakes, and he'll know what I'm up to if I use that one, so I actually bought my separate flour. And I also don't know if we'll have enough in, so yeah, I've just bought this just in case. And then he can use it for pancakes on Sundays when I finish using it. I don't know how much flour I'm going to need, so I got a lot. Last thing to finish on, of course I'm going to finish on some chocolate, but this isn't for me, this is part of somebody's gift. Is some Kinder chocolate with some free animal adventure stickers. Again, just for like a toddler's gift, because you know what, Kinder's really nice, isn't it? Even as an adult, there's 8 in here, so they're portioned out. Easy for mums to just throw in the pockets like when we're on the run, and we've got to take baby's mind off the fact that we're doing something boring, that they don't want to do like shopping or whatever. So yeah, just like those, and get animal stickers as well, which I just thought was good, and they were £1, so a little bit of a bargain. So that was it for this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up if you did. Don't forget to subscribe if you like content and videos like this, because this is what the channel is all about, is bargain shops. And when lockdown's not around, come shop with me's. I can't wait to get back into come shop with me's. But yeah, if you're also on Instagram, don't forget to go and check me out over there, and I shall see you in my next video. Thank you again for watching. Bye bye.